Welcome back to another video. Today we're showing you guys the status of my kitchen, see how far I'm going and see what I've been doing so far. As you guys can see in the background, this is pretty much what we got done so far. We got the granite, and then we got the cabinets installed. Right now I'm working on the faucet, as you guys see right there, and I'm also seeing what kind of color backsplash we're gonna put on the backsplash there. Just yesterday, or just last night, I finished installing the dishwasher. I still haven't unwrapped it or anything. Anyways, I installed that. I still have to finish installing the sink. As you guys can see, I have a mess in there. So we'll be working on that. I actually got a leak because I was trying to put like a valve, like a splitter for the hot water, because I didn't have a dishwasher before, and I did a splitter on the hot water and like a T, and when I started doing that, I started getting a leak on the valve, so I have got to replace the valve now. So it's an old house obviously, and you got to replace a lot of parts that break, but no problem. It'll just take over time. It'll get done. But yeah, this is the granite, and this is the installation of the faucet and the sink here. This is a sink from Costco. There's the brand right there if you guys want to get it. Sorry about my mess. But that is the sink that I installed. Well, I didn't do the installation. The Granite people did the installation of the sink. I just did the faucet. And currently installing the faucet still. But yeah, that's the all-in-one kit from Kohler. That's from Costco. It was like $250 for the kit. And as you guys can see, that is my thin set for the tiles for the floor. But yeah, this is that's the way my kitchen is looking so far. As you guys can see, that's my fridge, all dusty obviously because of all the dust that's going up. And we did the installation of this too a few days back. As you guys can see, it's not perfect, but everything works pretty good. We actually had to repatch it because it was over here, and we had to move it back closer to the wall and install that electrical outlet there. But yeah, pretty much that's what I've done so far. I still have to do the details, like change the electrical outlets and install a stove here, and pretty much the tile. We got to do the tile and finish doing the water faucet there for the sink. Yeah, that's it. Just let you guys know what's going on. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one.